Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. One of the strange things about living in a world-famous city like London is that everybody seems to have an opinion about what life is like here. And this includes people who've never been here, never been to England, and clearly know nothing about what life in the city is like. I mention this because last week I made the stupid mistake of allowing myself to get dragged into an online argument with an American idiot who was announcing quite loudly to people that he knew that in London now there are no-go zones where white people aren't safe to go. I pointed out, with all due respect, that this was complete nonsense. It was utter bollocks. I then added, listen mate, I should know, I live here. If you say, I should know, you're basically saying that you have experience that means you're more of an expert on this subject than the other person that you're talking to. Just to give you one more example, one of my neighbours is a nurse in one of the local hospitals, and in a recent online chat, someone in our street group was basically saying that they don't think it makes any difference whether you're vaccinated or not, and that you can still catch the virus even if you're vaccinated. My nurse neighbour commented that as someone who worked for the National Health Service, she was seeing more and more people coming into hospital with COVID, suffering quite badly, and almost always they were unvaccinated. And she added, listen, I should know, okay? I should know about these things. I see this on a daily basis. We also sometimes use this as a kind of joking response to friends. So, if one of your friends, who happens to be a bit of a drinker themselves, warns you to be careful not to mix your drinks, and they say, listen, it's a bad idea to mix your drinks, all right? You should know, you're like the world expert on this subject, you might respond. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use I should know, or you should know, or he should know, or even she should know